Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust sensitivity settings in Call of Duty Mobile. So first, open Call of Duty Mobile and head over to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon on the top right. And from there, go to the sensitivity tab. And this is where you can customize how fast your camera and aiming movement responds. Now you'll see different types of sensitivity settings like standard sensitivity, ADS sensitivity, gyroscope if you use it. Standard controls your general camera movement, while ADS affects how fast your aim moves when you're aiming down sights. A good tip here is to start with small adjustments. If your aim feels too slow, slightly increase the sensitivity. If it feels too fast or hard to control, lower it a bit. Try to find a balance where you can track enemies smoothly without over aiming. You can also test your settings in practice mode or during matches to see what feels comfortable. Everyone has different playstyles, so there's no perfect setting. It's all about what works best for you. And that's it. Adjusting your sensitivity properly can make a huge difference in your performance, so take your time to fine tune it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!